Flashcard trials and games used throughout this week can be accessed by going to Phonics Play. During lockdown, this can be accessed using the following details: username Jan21, password home. Some of the games can also be accessed by googling Odd and Bob Phonics, as there are more games on the Phonics Boom website. Day 1, revisit and review. I want you to do a flashcards time challenge looking at phase 5A. This week we're looking at verbs that have the ed suffix added onto them. Let's read these words. Ch, chill. What if we add the suffix ed? We sound it out, it's ch, d, chilled. That doesn't sound right, does it? If we think of it as a suffix, the ed suffix, it can make different sounds. So let's see, chill, chilled. So here it sounds like just a d sound, doesn't it? Sorry, my writing's not great there. Let's try it here. Wish. Or if we add our ed, wish becomes wished. Listen carefully. Wished. What sound do you hear the ed make? Yeah, it makes a t sound. So in chilled, it makes a d. In wished, it makes a t sound almost. Need. Add the ed suffix. Needed. Notice it sounds like needed. So we've got 3 different sounds that our ed suffix makes. D, t, id. I want you to sort the words from here into the columns, thinking about how the ed ending is pronounced. Is it, I've changed these to ones that are on the previous page, chilled, so with the d sound, wished, so the t sound, or like needed with the d sound. So go through the words, sort them into 3 columns. Parked, that's going to go here, isn't it? Treated, that's going to go here, isn't it? Bleated, that's going here. Pulled going here. Sort through the rest. Pause your video. Did you get them all in the right place? Apologies if Mrs. Riley's got any in the wrong place, but I think I've done them all right. Can you read these sentences that contain words with the ed suffix? My feet crunched and slipped in the snow. The beast screamed, whirled around, and bounded over to me. She sighed as she waited, then stamped her foot and marched away. Well done, that's the end of Monday. Phase 5D, week 4, Tuesday. Can you read the days of the week? Tuesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Wednesday, Monday, Sunday. We're looking at writing verbs, which remember are action words, that have the ed suffix on. If you remember the 3 different sounds that ed can make at the end of a word. Crunched, twisted, and twirled. So we've got a t, id, d. Write the words I say onto your whiteboards or your paper. Bleated, bleated. Enjoyed, enjoyed. Shopped, shopped. Helped, helped. side, side, minded, minded, treated, treated, parked, parked, sneaked, sneaked, asked, asked, bounded, bounded, screamed, screamed. Oh, sorry, there was more there than I realised. Well done if you got all of these correct, because that was a lot already. Can you write these sentences? Read these sentences. The dragon snorted and scorched himself. The wind twirled and whirled and twisted. The goat bleated as he munched his food. Well done, that's the end of Tuesday. Phase 5D, week 4, Wednesday. I want you to write down as many words as you can that start with the same sound as checked. And then I want you to write down as many words as you can that start with the same sound as shopped. Right, today we're looking at writing the days of the week. So, can you write down the following days? Tuesday, Tuesday, Thursday, Thursday, Friday, Friday, Sunday, Sunday. So we've only got 4 days of the week so far. Tuesday, Thursday, Friday and Sunday. I want you to write Sunday out as many times as you can in a minute, and then count how many times you've written it correctly. Then repeat with Friday, Thursday and Tuesday. So don't look at the screen to see the spelling whilst you're writing it. I want you to start writing it out. You can have a minute to do it as many times as possible. Write a sentence about one of the days of the week. Well done, that's the end of Wednesday. Phase 5D, week 4, Thursday. Go to Phonics Play, Cheeky Chimps, and I want you to look at the Y grapheme and decide how to pronounce that sound, that letter, sorry. Today we're looking at the other days of the week. Monday, Monday. Write this down on your board or paper. Saturday, Saturday. Wednesday, Wednesday. So you should have 3 days of the week written down. Monday, Saturday and Wednesday. Like with yesterday, write down Monday as many times as you can in a minute and look at the board and check how many times you've written it correctly. Repeat for Saturday and Wednesday. Write a sentence about each of the days of the week. About one of the days of the week, sorry. Well done, that's the end of Thursday. Phase 5D, week 4, Friday. Write down all the graphemes you know for the n sound. N. Did you get these? N, N, GN and KN all make the n sound. As in no, opposite of yes. Gnome, as in a small statue that looks like a person. And knee, and then your knee. Now write down all the graphemes you know for S, double S, SE, C and CE. Oops. We're looking at adding the suffix ed to words this week and at spelling our days of the week. So I want you to listen to this poem and write it down. On Monday, I climbed a tree. On Tuesday, I twisted my knee. On Wednesday, I blew up a balloon. On Thursday, I zoomed to the moon. On Friday, I went to the park. On Saturday, I splashed with a shark. On Sunday, I didn't do a lot. Did you write the sentences correctly? Well done. That's the end of phase 5D, week 4.